welcome back to another how-to video for you guys. This one is how to upload your shorts straight from Twitch, guys. So let's quickly get on over and get into it for you guys. Right then, guys, so let's have a look on how to get these clips straight from Twitch to YouTube without having to download and then edit them, then re-upload. As simple as going to your home screen on Twitch, guys, click any clip that you want. We're just waiting for it to load up, guys, and just head down to share. First, we'll actually go edit. So you can see your portrait version. Edit it down to what you need. Right, this clip we're going to go simply down to about 20 seconds, guys. A double snipe headshot. Just call it double snipe. You're going to hit the save. It'll save for you. And once you're saved, you should be able to share to YouTube. You see how it flicked up then, saying connect to YouTube? You connect to YouTube, sign in through Gmail, whatever you need to, guys. As simple as that. Once you're connected, you type in what is going to be share. Make sure you do your hashtags, guys. Then as simple as just clicking share to YouTube and it will send it straight to YouTube, guys. Simple as that. Don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe for more, guys, on around how-tos for gaming. That's what this channel is dedicated for. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, we will catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.